Hi, my name is Michelle Hausler. I'm the founder of Give and Take Lab and the creator of the Me, Myself and Money workshop and online course. What is your relationship to money? How do you feel when you think about money? Allow yourself to reflect on this. Maybe you think about money every day, a few times a day, or every hour. I'm inviting us to shed some light on our relationship to money. On my journey, it didn't matter how much or how little people had who I met. People were making decisions because of money on a daily basis. I can do this, I can't do that. I can live here, I can't live here. Whatever it was, transport, bus, getting somewhere. We live in a society where money is part of our daily lives. I fundamentally don't believe that we were born to make decisions because of money. I believe that all of us were born with a gift, with our talent, something that wants to blossom that we want to share with the world. And so the work I'm bringing to the world is this, a space for us to reflect on our personal and emotional relationship to money and understanding this more deeply and then changing this through time so that we can relate to life in a different way. I was intrigued with money from a young age. I remember seeing my mother paying with a credit card and I could not understand how the notes and coins fit into this card. It fascinated me. And then I continued to explore this topic throughout my life. I ended up in London working as a financials trader in the city. I had a highly successful career at a very young age. But something was not aligned for me inside. It was not aligned with my values. And then I decided to leave, to explore life more fully and understand what life is. I ended up crossing the world on a spiritual exploration from east to west, spending time with my spiritual teacher in ashrams, silent retreats, meditating, doing yoga. I really was looking for the answers to some questions I had about life. As part of my journey, and synchronistically, I ended up at Schumacher College doing a master's in economics for transition. This allowed me to bridge my experience as a trader in London with the years of traveling and spiritual exploration. As part of this journey and my thesis, I ended up living in an intentional community called Piracanga in Brazil. I wrote my thesis there and we developed their own community currency. It was an incredible experience, and 2 years on, it's still blossoming with many new projects and exciting initiatives coming out of this. However, when I was there, we realized that you can't change the outside system without looking within. You can change the paper, the notes, but it comes down to our relationship to money, how we relate to it. So the first version of this course was born there. And since I've guided over 500 people through this process, through talks, meditations, courses, and now this new online course. Through this journey, you will explore your relationship to money more profoundly, exploring many different aspects of this. I'm so excited to continue to bring this work to the world. For each of us to understand how we relate to money and to life, to move beyond it, to move into the flow of life and experience the abundance. I love to think of nature, the abundance of nature, and bringing us away from the scarcity back into the abundance mentality and mindset. So if you feel called to understand yourself, your relationship to money more deeply, come and join me in one of my workshops, coaching, online courses, and I'm also developing something for schools. For more information, you can go to givetakelab.com. I'm really excited to continue this journey together.